Ẹ káàbọ̀ sí ìgbàgede ẹ̀kọ́ ti òní. Ẹ sì káàbọ̀ sí SAI. Welcome to this today's topic will be on sounds. We'll be looking at the vowel sounds and the consonant sound. So we'll look at the vowel sound first. Kí ni fáwẹ́lì? Fáwẹ́lì ni ìró tí a pè láìsí ìdíwọ́ kankan fún èémí. The sounds that are pronounced, that is the vowel sound that are pronounced without audible friction in the vocal tract. There are 7 oral sounds while we have 5 nasal sounds. A, E, I, O, or U. A, E, I, O, or U. Kókó ohun tí a fẹ́ ṣe àyẹ̀wò ní àpèjúwe fáwẹ́lì. We are going to look at the vowel description. We want to know if the vowel is open, half closed, or closed. As you can see the charts. The position of the tongue and the position of the mouth determines the description of the vowel. Am I communicating? Correct. As you can see, you have the charts in it. So you check your notes more for more clarifications. Do you understand? Yes. Méje ni ìró fáwẹ́lì àìránmúpè. That is, the oral sound are just 7. While the nasal sound are 5. Márùn ni fáwẹ́lì àránmúpè. They are just 5 in number. Do not forget. You can sum it up if you like. Ẹ jẹ́ ká wo consonant. Consonant ni ìró tí a gbé jáde nígbà tí ìdíwọ́ wà fún èémí. This one has audible friction in the vocal tract. Do you understand? It has audible friction in the vocal tract. Is important. Ìgbéléwọ̀n, your evaluation. Kí ni fáwẹ́lì? What is vowel? Mélòó ni ìró consonant? How many consonants do we have? Fáwẹ́lì àìránmúpè jẹ́ mélòó? How many oral vowel sounds do we have? Mélòó ni fáwẹ́lì iwájú? How many vowels are the ones in front? So ọ̀nà mẹ́ta tí a lè ṣàpèjúwe ìró consonant. Mention the 3 ways we can describe the consonant sound. Iṣẹ́ àṣetiléwá, your assignment. Ohun àkọ́kọ́ ni mélòó ni àpapọ̀ ìró fáwẹ́lì? The oral sound and the nasal sound. How many are they? Ya àtẹ fáwẹ́lì àránmúpè. Draw the nasal vowel chart. Kọ ìró consonant èdè Yorùbá. Write out the consonant sound.